Got the G1. What they doing? Hey, that boy slide. Oh my God. Oh. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video. And today, honestly, I don't know what the hell we finna do today. We just finna wing it with a pile of Mopars. I think that's the best idea of the way I can explain it. If it's your first time seeing me on screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Let's go. Yeah, big cat, man. Big cat. What's funny, bro? My car is dirty as hell, but it looks clean though. But it damn sure is dirty, man. Superly it's dirty, but it look clean, bro. So I ain't get no car wash. But I don't have to, you know. I can just rinse it all, you know. You feel me?
Y'all boys got cameras and shit, man. I got a phone.
I'll check my boy out,
I got a phone, man. Let's see you got this shit on.
Oh, you got this shit on, man?
On some slight.
Some slight, man. Hey, man, we gonna throw a quick prayer for my boy, man. 12 got hit car, bro, and we gotta get that motherfucker back. He got a Cat 300, but they got that motherfucker, man. So we're gonna say a quick prayer real quick. Everybody bow your heads. Fuck 12, I bet.
Camera.
Oh, of course, man.
Ugly line.
You
might as well get me right.
That boy said ugly. I'm finna take your cap off, bro.
Ugly line.
Finna take your dipstick out, bro.
What?
So if you don't know what a cat look like without a hood, here we go, bro.
How about I'm running? Camera out, man. What's going on,
bro? How you doing? This what a cat look like without the hood on that motherfucker, you feel me? Boy, that's all I'm telling you, man. Yeah, hey, y'all make sure y'all follow him. I know it's hard to hear me, because his car's stupid loud. Y'all make sure y'all go follow him. I ain't gonna lie, that's how you die right there. You start your car in the garage, that's how you die. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, that shit there.
That shit that hell. Yo, you know your smoke detector went off too, right?
That was carbon dioxide. That's just for carbon dioxide.
So it's carbon in there? Nigga, that's how you die, boy. What the fuck?
I can smell that shit out here. Nah, I was just smelling that shit. I don't care. What?
That boy go.
Get that in the garage ain't closed.
That boy go Junior Food Mart Sun Kid.
But I had the blue joint.
Hey, you should have had the blue joint, bro. It would have matched your whole fit, bro.
It would have been complete.
Yeah.
I be so high and shit. Man, I be looking so stupid.
Boy, put the ski on, bro.
I had my shit off at the light. I had my shit off. Nigga, I had some hoes trying to goddamn get me.
I'm like, you dry.
I don't catch that shit on video.
No, you need to catch all this
I don't catch that shit on video.
Bro, niggas say I be looking stupid as hell on camera, so he gonna put a ski mask on. Me, I'ma roll my windows up, you feel me? And I ain't doing nothing that requires a ski mask, so I ain't putting one on.
Oh no, you got the hardest cat in the city, man.
Oh, they know what's going on, man. We ain't gotta say too much. They know the one of one hardest cat in the city, man.
Stupid ass.
I ain't gonna lie, I know your neighbors wanna RKO the shit out of you, boy. Boy, on God, I know they don't, boy.
The kids do.
Kids, of course, gonna love that shit. But goddamn, I know, boy, if I was his neighbor, boy, that would've pissed me off.
Especially in the morning time.
I mean, the morning time, boy, like 2 a.m., boy. Hell no, boy. See, can you get it, my boy?
The B right here.
No. The boy still can't catch it. Redraw it again.
G.
Got the G1. There you go.
G.
There you go. Now where the B at?
B.
There you go, bro. Yeah, there you go, bro.
B. Okay.
Yeah. I showed you on this side because the other side is like backward.
That's hard.
Yeah,
that's
so
hard.
Oh, that's an airplane, ain't it? Oh. What though? Hold up. Boy, pull up with an airplane. Boy, hold on. Got it.
didn't know that motherfucker was fit on my shit. So I ain't get that shit. I was looking at that shit at
That shit look like an airplane on the front, bro.
You worry about no shit getting caught up in that motherfucker.
But you feel me? Like, Bud pulled up with an airplane engine.
Like a jet motor. Real life jet motor.
Everything flies in Atlanta.
Man. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I worry about something flying in that bit, bro. God damn, I couldn't do that. That's too big of an intake, bro. That bit look good though, but
That motherfucker get nothing but air.
I know that bit running. You swear he got the squirt with trombone on the front of the bit. My bad, Patrick.
He did a motorcycle with a jet.
Well, what the fuck, boy? Woo! Bit like an elephant. I ain't gonna lie.
Ain't no way.
Got an Alabama elephant, man.
Stick your hand there like you got
This motherfucker got.
Y'all don't do drugs, bro. Don't do drugs.
So I got a fucking 74 Nova in my garage.
Oh, boy. He ain't that big. And a real Hellcat swap, man. And the Hellcat motherfucker. Y'all see them Mickey Thompson in the back, bro? Mickey Thompson back there.
that with GTA 6.
Nigga shit finna break some eardrums out here, man. Hey, you gotta fill up now, bro. Hey, Tay, you gotta get some more gas, bro. You gotta get some more gas now, bro.
I gotta get some more gas.
You gotta get some more gas, bro.
Yeah, they're about to have.
He just wasted about a quarter tank, dude.
Yeah, about a quarter tank.
Boy said he wanna hear all of them. I'll do it, yo.
It's Chris Park.
So what you named it? That whistle?
She said,
Wilson.
Whistle?
Yeah, Wilson.
It's all that well.
That one, no,
Well, be talking. Yeah, that's that well.
That's that cat talk.
Yeah,
oh, this your grandson.
that's my grandson.
I heard her say Nana.
Yeah, my grandson. Because his grandfather has a Durango, and he take off like this.
These some of the last ones that been made that they
Really?
ever gonna make.
What the top, baby? They got no top? What you put on that aluminum foil?
Oh.
He said, this motherfucker leftover.
He's talking about put aluminum foil.
You put on now you have food, you put aluminum foil on top of it.
Yeah.
I'll check this shit out, man. We done drove all the way down in the city. We done stopped on the side of the road. I had my GoPro on top of my car, and I didn't get none of the shit we were doing on the interstate, bro. Might be a good thing, cause I don't really want to condone what we did on the interstate on my channel. So might have been for good reasons, but I didn't get none of that shit. But you see, we here posted up, you know, on a light day, you know, on the side of the road. You feel me? Hey. Oh, that boy getting active, boy. Let's do it. Hey, that boy slime. That boy slime them toy. Them toy real, bro.
He said,
Boy, slime them toy, boy. Wow, oh my God. Oh man, hell no. Hell no. Man, these niggas out here drunk, boy. Hell no. Oh shit, all right, hold on. Oh,
Damn,
hey,
he fucking hit, bro.
hey.
He know how to whip that.
He might know a little something with that one. He might redeem himself just a little bit. He finna handle it. Oh, yes, sir. He can handle it. He can handle it. Yes, sir. That nigga be getting down, boy.
Hey, he don't know how to stop.
Yeah, he don't know how to stop, bro.
He was slow that bitch.